finally revealed. The X-47B Stealth Strike Fighter and unmanned combat drone. The DOT redefines the future of air warfare. Born from cutting-edge American engineering, this flying machine combines stealth, autonomy, and lethal strike capability. Today, we take you deep inside the story of the X-47B, the aircraft that may change the battlefield forever. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the X-47B was designed under the US Navy's UCAVs program, Unmanned Combat Air System. Unlike traditional drones, this is no simple reconnaissance tool. The X-47B is a fully autonomous strike fighter, capable of carrier-based operations without a pilot on board. Its stealthy design, smooth, futuristic, and radar evading allows the X-47B to penetrate deep into enemy territory. No cockpit, no canopy, just pure aerodynamic stealth. With a wingspan of 62 feet, it carries precision-guided bombs inside, internal bays, invisible to radar systems. This drone doesn't just fly, it thinks. The X-47B can take off, land on aircraft carriers, refuel mid-air, and navigate missions all autonomously. With artificial intelligence assisting its systems, it represents a leap into the future of unmanned combat aviation. Imagine this fleets of unmanned stealth, fighters striking deep into hostile zones without risking a single pilot's life. The X-47B demonstrates that reality. With long-range strike capability, aerial refueling, and unmatched stealth, it becomes a total nightmare for enemy air defenses. Yet, the X-47B remains a prototype, a glimpse into tomorrow. Political debates, budget challenges, and ethical questions surround its future. But one thing is certain. This aircraft showed the world what unmanned stealth strike fighters can do. The X-47B paved the way for future drones like the MQ-25 Stingray and next-generation UCAVs. Its legacy will live on as one of the most ambitious, revolutionary aircraft ever built by the United States. The X-47B is not just an aircraft, it is a vision of future air combat. What do you think? Are unmanned stealth fighters the future of war? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Supersonic news.